iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error fix. Now, if your iMessage and FaceTime says waiting for activation on the app or anywhere as such, there are a couple of things that we can check. First of all, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working just fine. Then once you make sure that's fine, you can also simply try restarting your device and sliding to power it off and restart your device, because sometimes that could also be your problem, and then that should be able to help you solve the problem. Now what you can do is you can simply go ahead and then simply open up settings. Now what you want to do is simply go to, first of all, this option called messages. Now if you don't find it here, you can simply go to apps. Under apps, simply look for the messages application right here. So go to messages here. Now here you can simply try to turn off and turn on messages manually over here. You can also go ahead and then basically turn on FaceTime and then disable and enable it again, and that should help you solve the problem. So you can also go to FaceTime, disable FaceTime, and then go ahead and then try to enable the FaceTime again, and once done, that should be able to help you solve your problem. So this way you should be able to solve if iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation error. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.